예배의 아픈 순간 오그라미 닿기 말해 예수가 높이려 영원하네 오그라미 영광 속에 내니 그사기라 영원.
Surely he took up our pain and bore our suffering. Yet we considered him punished by God, stricken by him and afflicted. But he was pierced for our transgressions. He was crushed for our iniquities. The punishment that brought us peace was on him, and by his wounds we are healed. We all, like sheep, have gone astray. Each of us has turned to our